Namaste Navrosos everyone, I am Carla Ancaniso. For today, I'll be discussing you the organ system of an animal. So what are the organ system of the animal? First is musculoskeletal, digestive, circulatory, respiratory, urinary, nervous, sensory, reproductive, and lymphoreticular. So those 9 is the part of animal's organ system. So the first is the musculoskeletal system. The bones from the skeleton is its framework within the body. It carries weight and support the body. Bones are connected so they can move together. Each bone has a name, such as a scapula, shoulder blade, and skull or head. There are about 200 bones in the body. Muscles are joined on both ends to the bones. The muscles are the meat of the body. When they contract or shorten or relax, lengthen, they make the bones move. The example of this is, if you bend your arm, you can see and feel the muscle in your arm working, and also it can produce sounds when you can't hear it, but you can do it, so you can hear it. So yeah. Next is digestive system. What is a digestive system? Well, we know that the digestive system is also part of a human being. It's in our stomach. Digestive system. The digestive system consists the teeth, mouth, gullet or esophagus, stomach, liver, intestine, pancreas, and rectum. Digestion begins in mouth. When you feed it, broken down into small pieces by the teeth with saliva before being swallowed. So, in a human being, if you compare it to human being, we can also do that, human and also the animals. If we were eating, the food we eat is going to be into a small pieces or broke into a small pieces to go to our esophagus, and also to help it to be easily broke by our teeth by using our saliva. It can also help our circulatory system and blood. The organ of the circulatory system are the heart and the blood vessels or tubes. The heart is found in the chest cavity. It is a muscular pump which sends blood around the body. The respiratory system. Respiratory is also, we know this because we are breathing. Humans are breathing, animals are breathing. Respiratory or breathing consists of inspiration, breathing in, and expiration, breathing out. So when you're inhaling and exhaling, that's what inspiration or breathing in, or expiration, breathing out. There are 2 lungs which are found in the chest, protected by bony cage of the ribs. Our ribs has a lot of bones. I think it's 64. I think you can search it. So next is urinary system. The main organs are the urinary system. The main organs are the 2 kidneys which lie against the backbone and the bladder. Waste materials and water are taken out of the blood into the kidneys. In the kidneys, the forms of urine. The human bodies, human bodies and human animals' bodies or organ system. Human organ system and animals' organ system has almost the same. So next, nervous system and sensory system. These two is the same only. Yeah. The bones of the skulls and the backbone protect the soft brain and spinal cord. Fibrous cold nerves pass from the brain and spinal cord to all parts of the brain. The brain sends a message back telling the different parts of the body what to do. The brain controls the body. Nervous system parts is brain, spinal cord, nerves. The brain also controls the sense. The sense organs are the eyes for sight, the ears for hearing, the nose for smell, the tongue for taste, the skin for touch. So it's almost the same by a human. So reproductive system or breeding. The male reproductive organs and testicles lies the scrotum behind the penis. So this reproductive system is also for male and female. A tube, reproductive systems of a male. A tube passes from each testicle and joins to form a tube which runs down the center of the penis. So let's go to the female reproductive organ consists. The female reproductive organs consist of 2 ovaries, one of each of the lower abdomen, and the ovaries produce eggs which pass through uterus or womb of a female animal. Below the uterus is the vagina, which opens the outside surrounded by the vulva. Now we all know. So next, let's go to the next. Lymphoreticular system. Lymph is a colorless fluid which passes out the blood through the network of fine tubes called the lymphatic system. The lymph nodes and spleen almost produce special blood cells which protects the body against disease. Sometimes when an animal is infected by lymph nodes become swollen and can be felt beneath the skin. So in this lymphocycular reticular system, it's a disease that animal can felt beneath their skin, like dry